You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words. The top word is pronounced as Baird. It's a brand name, Baird. The bottom word is also pronounced as, you've guessed it, Baird. From the verb to bear, the participle, past participle, Baird. How to pronounce? Both words are homophones, meaning they have the same pronunciation. Baird. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.